indaba yokuthi abantu abamnyama subconsciously know ukuthi ukuze ushintsho lenzeke it takes for umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo ukuthi kube uyena osukumayo efukuzela everyone else. Uma ngabe senikwi at a point where ni comfortable ni-educated, ninama-corner office ney'thabathaba zemizi, ninama-law degree nama-finance degree, economics degree, nayo yonke lezi zinto, engineering, nithi mangabe senifika lapho ninethezeke, nikhohle ukuthi yonke into eniyiyo you owe it to umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo. Freedom onayo you owe it to umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo. The infrastructure onayo you owe it to umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo. Yonke into ewushintsho ekwenza ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuba ilento oyiyona namhlanje you owe it to umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo. Bese nenze njani? Nithathe lo muntu omnyama nimbukele phansi, nimjudge nithi they are fighting for crumbs. Nibe ninga understand ukuthi lawo ma crumbs lawo iwona eyenza ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abeke ukudla etafuleni, iwona akwazi ukuthi ingane ziphathe ilunch mangabe ziye esikoleni, zikwazi ukuthi zigqoke impahla ngobusika. Niba judge, nibabuke with contempt, nibabuke with judgment, nibabuke with hate, because that is all you are able to do now, because umuntu omhlophe ukufundise njalo, education ikufundise njalo ukuthi once wagibela kwibheke umuntu omnyama wafika phezulu ukuthi umphimisele, umjudge, umtshele ukuthi ungcolile and they are not worthy to breathe the same air as you. Yileyo nto engiyibonayo every single day. Uma ngabe usuba nesibindi sokuthi wena utshele umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo ukuthi they should be fighting uRupert noOppenheimer, wena uhlala noRupert noOppenheimer in those neighborhoods, ube ungakwazi ukwenza lokho, uthi umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo akakwenze kanjani. It just shows ukuthi kunobuxoki obukhulu that goes with being highly educated, kukwenza ukuthi ube removed from reality, kukwenza ukuthi ube removed from understanding the struggles of poor South Africans. Yileyo nto eyenza ukuthi ni-judge nibe nizazi kahle ukuthi kwanani you don't have the kind of power that is required ukuthi kuliwe noRupert noOppenheimer. I am so disappointed. I am utterly disappointed at the number of abantu abamnyama who are at a position ukuthi they could be fighting all of these systems, but they are not doing it. Again, it took omunye umuntu omnyama who is not wealthy ukuthi akwazi ukuthi ayolwela i-constitution reform. It took abantu abamnyama ukuthi abahluphekayo ukuthi balwele ilokhuzana i-freedom yethu. It took abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo ukuthi balwele ukuthi sifunde ngezilimi zethu. It took abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo omama ukuthi baye e-union buildings ukuyolwela amalungelo ethu. It took for izingane ezimnyama ezihluphekayo ukuthi zilwele if-fees must fall. Kwabenefita ngisho nezingane eziyiqumama, and that is the cycle ehlezi ibonakala every single time ukuthi it takes for ukuthi kube uyigazi lomuntu omnyama ohluphekayo lichithekayo, kube yithukuthuku zakhe namandla akhe ekufanele abonakale ukuze kuzoba khona ushintsho. Lolo shintsho kodwa libenefitisa ngisho nawe okwade umbuka with contempt, umbuka with judgment, kube wena obenefitayo futhi okudlula yena. It is so disappointing ukuthi nina proximity to whiteness, proximity to wealth, proximity to Western ideology ikushintshile yakwenza wayibona ungcono, yakushintsha yakubona ungekho at a position to fight for izinto just simply because they don't affect you. It is the most irritating thing ukuthi ngisho namanje niyakhombisa ukuthi niyazi ukuthi ushintsho lifika ngabantu abamnyama abahluphekayo. Yingakho nikwazi ukuthi nibe nesibindi sokuthi nithume abantu abamnyama abahluphekayo ukuthi bayolwa nosomaqhuzu oJohann Rupert noOppenheimer. Izibindi zenu zihamba zifike lapho. You climb and you climb on the backs of poor black people. Nithi mangabe seniphezulu nibaphimisele. That is what you are. That is your legacy, and it is disappointing. It is so disappointing. Nikhuluma ingisi ezinkulu, nibhale ama-essay kuma comment section, nichazele abantu who understand. They may not understand it ngendlela yencwadi nini understand ngayo, but they understand yonke into eniyishoyo. They understand it. Inkinga ukuthi you are refusing to understand them. You outright refuse to understand the struggles of poor black South Africans. It is so frustrating. It is angering. It is triggering. Because nina niyibona ukuthi ningcono. Just because nina niyakwazi ukuthi niphume nihambe niyewoolizi ngeimoto zenu ezi-electric. Niyakwazi ukuthi niphume niyothenga ingane noma ngabe ishodelwa yinto, you don't have to worry ukuthi imali izoqhamuka for those things. You don't have to worry ukuthi esikoleni izingane zenze njani. Ibhlungu lento eniyenzayo. The contempt enibuka ngayo abantu abahluphekayo ibuhlungu. And it reminds me so much of the oppressor.